Discover how this free app can earn you $500 plus daily, no hard work required. Are you ready to unlock a way to earn passive income from literally anywhere in the world? I just stumbled across this amazing hack that takes advantage of a free app, allowing you to rake in anywhere from $400 to $500 per day. And you don't have to do most of the work yourself. I'm doing all the heavy lifting for you in this tutorial. But before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's appreciate the value of what you're getting today: free prompts, templates, and insider strategies that transformed my side hustle into a consistent money-making machine. If you're serious about changing your financial situation, smash that subscribe button, and let's dive into step 1. How people are making crazy money with AI tools. So here's the deal. There's this goldmine for AI tools called Global GPT. https://www.glbgpt.com/?inviter equals 0/7 Adopt 27 F31 C798 F855 CD 07887 A5 BDDB 055 F411 E98. They feature a mind-blowing directory of over 31,000 AI tools that help with everything from drawing custom graphics, turning PDFs into actionable insights, automating social media tasks, and even creating hyper-professional profile pictures. But here's where the magic happens: many of these tools offer affiliate programs. By promoting one or more of these tools, you can earn recurring affiliate commissions every single month. Let me do a humble brag for a moment. When I started this hustle, I earned $6,900 in affiliate commissions with one AI tool alone. Most recently, I've been pulling in $1,500 every single month, and that's mostly passive income. Why does it work? Once you refer users to a tool, you continue to earn commissions for as long as they remain customers. Literally, I've stopped working on some tools, yet the checks keep rolling in. Step-by-step guide: start earning with AI affiliate apps. Let me break it down for you. 1. Find high-quality AI tools. One great example is Photog GPT, an app where people create stunning profile pictures for their social media. While people pay for this app, you can join their affiliate program for free and earn commissions whenever someone signs up through your link. Signing up is simple. Go to their affiliate center, drop your email, and voila, you've got an affiliate link ready to go. 2. Turn free content into money-making machines. Here's where you level up. Head to my online business friends community, link in the description, where I've shared templates, guides, and tools that you can copy right now. One example is the Personal Branding Blueprint. Grab this free PDF guide. Insert your affiliate link into call to action buttons like create professional profile pictures here, highlight, format, and share the guide with anyone building their personal brand. 3. Leverage proven strategies. Another example? My YouTube automation starter blueprint that's also been a hit among my network. I've made over $14,000 with the vidIQ AI tool simply because it helps YouTube creators grow their channels. All you need to do: sign up as an affiliate for vidIQ or similar tools, plug your affiliate link directly into my copyable guides, also in the free community, make them available for anyone with a link. How to get free traffic for your affiliate links. Here's the cherry on top: you don't need to spend money or be an expert at advertising. Use simple, cast a wide net strategies to drive traffic. Facebook groups. Join relevant groups, like those for YouTube creators or social media marketers, provide valuable insights, and share the free PDF guides with embedded affiliate links. YouTube videos. Post casual videos where you share opinions or tutorials and include your PDF guides in the description. Medium articles. Use platforms like Medium to create value-packed articles about the tools, plug your links effortlessly, and watch the traffic pour in. Don't have time to write blogs? No problem, use AI tools like Grow to auto-generate articles. For example, plug in a prompt to create a 2,000-word blog on vidIQ or other AI tools, copy and paste the draft onto Medium, insert your links, and publish. Each time someone clicks your link, you're one step closer to passive income. Scaling your income with over 31,000 AI tools. The crazy part? There are endless tools waiting to be promoted. Sites like GlobatGPT, https://www.glbgpt.com/?inviter equals 0/7 Adobe 27 F31 C798 F855 CD 07887A5 BDDB 055 F411 E98, constantly add new ones. Just focus on tools that offer recurring commissions so you can get paid over and over again, even if you decide to take a month-long vacation, ready to start earning $500 per day. Here's your first step. All this may sound too good to be true, but I've shared exactly how I built my system from scratch. Whether you want to make $500 or scale beyond that, I've given you the tools, guides, and strategies. Disclaimer: this content is purely educational. While it has worked for me and thousands of others, results aren't guaranteed. Always research thoroughly before committing to any online business.